Get ready for the ultimate wireless audio experience. Xiaomi introduces the Redmi Buds 6 and Redmi Buds 6 Pro, crafted for every lifestyle and budget. Priced at just £34.99, the Redmi Buds 6 packs incredible value. These earbuds come with a dual driver system featuring a 12.4mm titanium-coated dynamic driver and a 5.5mm piezoelectric tweeter. Expect crystal clear sound with deep bass and crisp highs. Active noise cancellation reduces up to 49 decibels of noise, while the adaptive transparency mode ensures you stay aware of your surroundings when needed. With up to 42 hours of total playback time when combined with the charging case, these earbuds are designed for non-stop listening. Bluetooth 5.4, dual mic AI noise cancellation for calls, and 360-degree spatial audio make the Redmi Buds 6 perfect for work, gaming, and entertainment. Now, for those who demand more, the Redmi Buds 6 Pro takes audio performance to the next level. At £64.99, these earbuds deliver a premium listening experience. Equipped with a triple driver system including dual PZT tweeters and an 11mm titanium diaphragm driver, the Buds 6 Pro delivers sharp highs, rich mids, and powerful bass. The Pro model offers noise cancellation up to 55 decibels and supports high-res audio codecs like LDAC for a truly immersive sound experience. Enjoy up to 9.5 hours of usage on a single charge and 36 hours with the charging case. Perfect for extended travel or daily use. Customize your sound with EQ settings in the Xiaomi Earbuds app and take advantage of low latency mode for seamless gaming. Whether you choose the budget-friendly Redmi Buds 6 or the feature-packed Redmi Buds 6 Pro, you're getting unbeatable quality and value. Available globally from January 15th on Xiaomi's official channels and authorized retailers. Don't miss out. Experience sound like never before. Xiaomi Redmi Buds 6 and 6 Pro, crafted for your world.